Sikkim, where the nature smiles. The tagline perfectly resembles the natural beauty of Sikkim. Sikkim lies in the northeastern part of India. It is also close to the India's Siliguri corridor near Bangladesh. Come, witness and fall in love with Sikkim in the virtual tour with me. We started our journey on the eve of New Year to register new memories in our 2021 calendar. Our journey begins early in the morning from Kalchini. We boarded a train at 6:30 from the station. Most cheaper and comfortable traveling medium to Siliguri. The journey from Dooars to Siliguri by a train add an extra flavor to your traveling. The route mostly covers the forest belt and the scenic beauty of Dooars. It took around 4 hours to reach Siliguri Junction. But when you have your close buddies with you, the time seems to pass very quickly. We reached Siliguri Junction at 10:30 am. Siliguri is the main corridor of Sikkim and Darjeeling. As you move out your steps out of the station, many shop owners invites you for a meal in their hotel, saying, "Dada ashen khaba hobe, bhaiya aiye khane ke liye hoga." Many conductors and taxi drivers also invites you to visit different places looking at your appearance. Ignoring all this invitation, we moved to a taxi stand near Ashanti, boarded our vehicle to travel the capital city, Gangtok. You can also board a bus from Ashanti to go to Gangtok. Journey to the heart of Sikkim started, and our excitement level was gearing up as the driver was changing the gears of the vehicle. After more 4 hours of journey, we reached the heart of Sikkim. Gangtok is 114 km away from Siliguri. Finally, we are here in the land of hidden paradise. We checked in to our hotel near MG Marg. After a few hours of rest, we went to see the most attractive place, Mahatma Gandhi Marg, popularly known as MC Marg. Your journey is incomplete if you don't admire the sparkling MG Marg. It is a long stretch of open mall where locals and tourists take leisure strolls. The road is lined up with glittering shops, restaurants, cafes and bars on the both sides. The entire area is free of litter, smoke and vehicle. Next morning, we packed our bags for traveling to Changu Lake and Zuluk. Sangmo Lake or Changu Lake is 44 km away from Gangtok. Journey started with the beautiful panoramic view of mountains and the folk of Buddhist tradition. During the journey, you can view the wonderful sight of Kanchenjunga. This majestic view, the lens of camera cannot justify. You should admire the beautiful sight with your own eyes. While the journey to Changu Lake, you can see the beautiful quotation written on the side of the road by BRO. Thanks to Border Roads Organization for constructing and maintaining roads in such a tough area. As our vehicle wheels keep on rolling, we crossed many beautiful lakes. Finally, we reached to the most sacred lake of Sikkim, Changu Lake. Sangmo Lake or Changu Lake is a glacial lake in East Sikkim, located at an altitude of 3,753 meters. Its color changes with change in seasons. It is considered one of the sacred places in Sikkim. According to the myth, the spiritual gurus and monks used to study the color of water of Changu Lake to forecast the future of the state. We headed towards our next destination, Temple of Baba Harbhajan Singh. Baba Harbhajan Singh has a very mysterious story. On 4th October 1968, while escorting a mule column from his battalion headquarters at Tukla to Deng Chukla, he slipped and fell into a fast-flowing stream and got drowned. Army searched for his body for 3 days but did not found it. After this incident, he came in the dreams of many army personnel and conveyed his desires. Many army personnel has felt his presence in the temple, and this place became the attraction of tourists across the globe. Registering all these mysterious memories in our calendar, we moved towards our final destination, Zuluk, the Silk Route of India. More 2 hours of journey from Baba Harbhajan Singh Temple, we reached to the place called Silk Route of India, Zuluk. The Silk Route is an ancient network of trade connecting Central Asia to the Mediterranean Sea. You can admire the remarkable construction of road at Zuluk, the beautiful gift of nature and the wonderful construction of humans made this place the land of hidden paradise. After a long tour and tiresome journey, when you have a beautiful homestay to stay in, your tiredness disappears. We have booked Eco Homestay at Lower Zuluk. We checked in to our homestay and spent a bonfire night. Next morning, we were ready to say bye-bye to Sikkim. Our bags are packed. Vehicle was waiting outdoor, and we move out our steps to end this wonderful trip of East Sikkim. Sikkim, where nature smiles.